Happy day, happy yogis. This is Antonia. We are here in Asana Lab, the most amazing Asana Lab for classical and innovative poses. We're doing classical poses now. We're going to go into twisted half moon pose. Let's come to the top of the mat. Remember, this is a neutrally rotated pose. So we're going to float our left leg back. Press through all the corners of your right foot. Feel the stability. Okay, we're stable. Let's dive into it. Now point the toes of your left foot down to the mat. You'd want to open the hip. No, no way. We have to keep the hips neutral and stable. Now tip forward as if you're in a scale. Keep on holding the creases of your hips. Rest your left hand down to the floor, to the top of the mat. You can cup the floor with your hand. Feel you're sandwiching your inner thighs, keeping the neutrality of your hips. Now start to raise the left leg higher and reach the right arm up. Straighten both knees. They don't want to straighten, but they have to. They have to obey. So straighten, start to twist, shoulders away from the ears. The shoulders are even. Lift the leg a little higher, twist a little deeper. One more breath and exhale. Take a down dog to release. You did it. Great job. Come and practice with me. Lots of new, exciting, innovative poses and classical poses. Subscribe to Yogaya Yoga on YouTube. Have a lovely day.